Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a product mockup in Smartmockups, a web-based app with which you can create different types of professional product mockups. So I'm logged into my Smartmockups account. In this menu up top, you'll see various categories of mockup templates. I'll hover my mouse over Apparel. You'll see the subcategories. I'll choose Sportswear, and you'll see this page. This is a new feature they've added called Instant Preview. So I'll click on this Upload Your Image button. I'll choose my logo image and click Open. As you can see, it's uploaded my image, and then I can scroll down to see my image, how it looks like on various mockup templates. So let me scroll back up. And here you'll notice that there are 3 subcategories. So for example, I can click on swimwear, and it'll display all the swimwear mockup templates with my logo image. Let me scroll down, and as you can see, there are many mockup templates. So let's say I want to use this mockup template. I can click on it, and it'll open the mockup editor. This is the preview section. And in this section to the right, you can edit the mockup template. There are 2 tabs here. I'm in the Images tab. I can click on this Edit button, and it'll bring me to this page where I can adjust the logo image using these handles like so, and then align the image. I can then click the Crop and Continue button. So as you can see, it has resized the logo image on the swimsuit. I can click on this Customize Scene button, which will take me to the Customize tab. And if I click on this Choose button, you'll see this color palette pop up. And I can choose various preset colors like so. Let me go with this dark brown color. You can also use this crop button, then choose a crop preset, for example a square. Let me go with the 16:9 aspect ratio preset. And then once you're done, you can click the download button, choose one of these image resolutions. I'll go with medium, and the image is downloaded. I'm using Firefox as my browser here. And here's how the swimsuit mockup came out. You can check the link in the description section to try Smartmockups for free. Well, hope you found this Smartmockups tutorial helpful. You can check these videos to learn more about Smartmockups. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.